Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a nice website to read some Arabic stories, and I am hoping to read some stories from this website to help the beginners in Arabic language. Those who started learning Arabic, if you watch these videos that I will make out of this website, I believe you will enjoy them and you will be able to learn Arabic language slowly, inshallah ta'ala. So let's get started. Today, the story name is At-Timsah wal-Qirt. Tamsah means crocodile, wal-Qirt, Qirt means what? Monkey. All right, and how it started. So we can see a picture of a monkey and a تمساح. هذه قصة جميلة. هذه means this, قصة means story, جميلة means beautiful. This is a nice story and about تمساح, about a crocodile. And قرد, about a monkey. So this is a nice story about a تمساح and قرد, about a monkey. تعلم know, learn. الأطفال, the children can learn. أخلاقا, the children can learn lesson or behavior. أخلاقا means behavior, manner, etiquette, or lesson. So from these stories children can learn. أطفال is the plural form of طفل. الشخص, what is the lesson that they can learn? الشخص, a person. الذي, who. يريد, wants. خداع الآخرين, خداع means deceiving. آخرين means others. Deceiving means DECEIVING. Deceiving spelling is this, and khida means deceiving or doing something funny, something like that. So, what is the lesson that they can learn from this story? الشخص, a person, الذي, who يريد, wants to deceive others. سوف يغش. سوف means he will. يغش, he will be deceived. و means and. ويفقد, and he will lose. كل شيء, everything. كل means every, شيء means everything. So the person who wants to deceive others, he will be deceived. غش يغش means deceiving. Okay. خداع means also deceiving. غش يغش means also deceiving. He will be deceived ويفقد كل شيء. Alright. And after that, لنستمتع, let's enjoy. لنستمتع means let's enjoy بقراءة, reading. Let's enjoy reading هذه القصة, this story. هذه القصة والمصورة, illustrated story, معا, together. So let's enjoy these illustrated stories together. Illustrated means the story with pictures. مصورة means pictures. So let's enjoy. يعيش هناك تمساح. There is a crocodile. هناك means there is. هناك means crocodile. يعيش means lives. So there is a crocodile who lives. There is a crocodile who lives في, in. بحيرة means in a lake. محاطة, surrounded. Okay, covered or surrounded. Be, with or by. أعشاب means grasses. عشب means one grass. أعشاب means grasses. خضراء, green. So there is a lake which is surrounded. محاطة means surrounded by green grasses. Who used to live there? Timsah, a crocodile, used to live there. يعيش means lives. And this Buhaira means lake. This lake is surrounded by what? Also أشجار جميلة. شجرة, أشجار, trees. جميلة means beautiful. The lake is surrounded by green grass and أشجار جميلة, beautiful trees. وجبال جميلة, and beautiful hills or mountains. جبال means what? Hills. Jamila means beautiful. Did you see? This is surrounded by أعشاب, means the grasses. And after that, هناك أيضا عاش قرد سعيد, and a happy. قرد سعيد means قرد, monkey, سعيد means happy. A monkey also used to live. عاش means lived. Okay, used to live. أيضا also. هناك, there. There was a monkey who also used to live. There was a happy monkey. هناك means there was a happy monkey. قرد سعيد who was also, or who used to live also. Asha means who used to live, either means also. Ala shajara, on the tree. Did you see? He's on the tree. Okay, he's jumping, he's playing. Bil qurbi, next to. Min al buhaira, next to the lake. So there was also a monkey. There was also a monkey who used to live on a tree by the buhaira, by the lake. أصبح القرد. أصبح القرد, became. أصبح means became. القرد والتمساح, the monkey and the crocodile became صديقين, friends. صديق means one friend. صديقين means two friends. صديقين means many friends. So they became friends. لبعضهما البعض means each other. لبعضهما البعض means what? Each other. The monkey and the crocodile became two friends each other. And كان التمساح يزور القردة كل يوم. كان يزور means he used to visit. He used to visit. Kana and yazuru, they both are connected. So who used to visit? The crocodile. The crocodile used to visit al-qirda. The monkey kullayam. Kullayam means every day. Every day, the timsah used to visit the monkey. i'tad, he used to. Al-qird. Qird means the monkey. An yuqaddima. Qaddama yuqaddim means offering, giving something. That means the monkey used to offer or give lahu, for him. For him means for the crocodile. La means for, who means him. For him means for the crocodile. So what he used to offer, what the monkey used to, the monkey used to offer al-fakih al-hulwa, the tasty fruits min ash-shajara, from the tree. Min means from the tree. They used to offer, they used to give fruits. Did you see he's giving fruits to the timsah for eating? And after that, ذات يوم, one day, أخذ التمساح الثمار لزوجته. ذات يوم means one day. أخذ, took, the past form of take. أخذ يأخذ. The crocodile took الثمار means fruits, some fruits لزوجته, for his wife. Okay, did you see? This is his wife. This is the husband crocodile. So he took some fruits. Can you see there are some fruits? Okay, he brought the fruits from the monkey. And قالت الزوجة الجشعة. قالت means said. الزوجة means the wife. الجشعة means what? Greedy. Greedy. The greedy wife said. التمساح, the greedy crocodile wife said. Okay, the greedy crocodile wife said بعد, after, أن تناولت, after eating, الفاكهة, after eating the fruit. After eating the fruit, the greedy crocodile wife said لزوجها, to her husband. Li means for, zawjun means husband, ha means her, that means the wives. She told her husband, تخيل, imagine. تخيل يتخيل من باب التفاعل. Okay, she said, imagine, كم سيكون, how will be, طعم, the meat, the food, قلب. Okay, wait, there's a problem here. So then she said, كم سيكون, how will be. Okay, how will be. سيكون means will be. كم means how. طعم, meat. Here I will take the meaning of meat. M-E-A-T, meat. قلب, meat of the heart. قلب means heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Al-qird, of the monkey. How will be, how tasty will be the meat of monkey's heart. Halawa means tasty. How tasty will be sayakunu. How tasty. There is the kam. Kam is how. Halawa, tasty. Sayakun, will be. Ta'ama, meat of the heart. Ta'am qalb is of the heart. Al-qird, of the monkey. How tasty will be the meat of the monkey's heart. Wahuwa, because wa means here because. Huwa, because he eats. Alright, هذه الفاكهة كل يوم, because he eats this fruit every day. Fakih means fruits, كل يوم means every day. Because he eats this tasty fruit every day, his heart will also be very tasty then. Then لذلك, for that, طلبت الزوجة التمساح. The wife crocodile طلبت asked or wanted from her husband. Min means from, zawjiha means her husband, from her husband to bring. إحضار means to bring al-qirda, the monkey, ila manzilihim, to their home. Then he asked her husband to bring the monkey to their home. في اليوم التالي, next day. Fi means in, al-yawm means day, tali means next day. ذهب went التمساح, the crocodile went إلى القرد, to the monkey. He went to the monkey. ودعاه, wa means and, da'a means he invited, who means him. He invited him ila, to, manzilihi, to his house. He means his, manzili means house, to his house. Li means for, litanawuli, to eat, ta'amil ghada, to eat lunch. Ta'amil ghada means to eat lunch. That means the timsah invited the monkey to go to his home to have lunch together. He invited. Da'a means invited. And after that, قبل القرد الدعوة, he accepted. قبل means he accepted. القرد, the monkey. الدعوة, da'wa means invitation. He accepted the invitation بسعادة, happily. And سأل التمساح, then he asked. كيف, what he asked, كيف, how, آتي, I will go, معك, with you, في البحيرة, in the lake. How I will go with you in the lake? لا أعرف السباحة. لا أعرف means I don't know. سباحة means swim. I don't know how to swim. How can I go with you? Then عرض عليه التمساح ركوبه, then he offered. The crocodile offered him. عرض عليه means he offered him. The crocodile offered him ركوبه, his ride. He offered him a ride, R-I-D-E, ride. على ظهره, ظهره means on his back. Okay, on his back. This is the back. Okay, on his back he offered him a ride. He told that, okay, you can go sitting on my back. بعد وصول إلى مسافة قليلة, after going some distance. بعد الوصول means after reaching. بعد الوصول means after reaching. إلى, to, مسافة قليلة. مسافة means what? Distance. قليلة means a little. After reaching a little distance, حاول, tried. التمساح means the crocodile tried. دفع القرد, دفع القرد إلى أسفل. He tried, the crocodile tried to put him down. دفع إلى means put him down. إلى أسفل means down. في البحيرة, in the lake. لقتله, to kill him. That means the crocodile, after reaching some distance, مسافة means distance, قليل means a little, حاول, يحاول means trying. The crocodile, تمساح means crocodile, tried to دفع القرد, to put the monkey إلى أسفل, down, to put the monkey down. في البحيرة, in the lake. لقتله, to kill him. Okay, and after that what happened? أصيب القرد بالصدمة, he was shocked. Who was shocked? أصيب القرد بالصدمة. أصيب بالقرد الصدمة. صدمة means these two words mean together, shocked. The monkey was shocked. وسأل, then he asked. صديقه, then he asked his friend التمساح, he asked his friend crocodile. عما يحدث, what's going on? He said that, what's going on? Okay, he was shocked. أصيب القرد بالصدمة, he was shocked. And after that, شرح التمساح للقرد عن المحادثة, then he explained, the crocodile explained للقرد, to the monkey, عن المحادثة, about the conversation. مع زوجته, with his wife. مع means with, زوجته means his wife. The conversation that they had, he explained this to the monkey. في وقت, when the conversation had. في وقت متأخر من الليل, okay, last night. في وقت متأخر, late in the last night. وخطة لقلبه, and he also explained the plan. خطة means plan. لقلبه, for his heart. Okay, they had a plan to eat, to kill the monkey and to eat the monkey's heart. He told everything. Okay, the timsah shared all the plan. Then سرعان, quickly. سرعان, quickly. ما توصل القرد إلى فكرة ذكية للهروب. سرعان, quickly. ما توصل, he reached. Who reached? The monkey reached إلى فكرة ذكية, to a clever idea. Okay, to a smart idea. فكرة means idea, ذكية means smart. للهروب, for escaping. هروب means for going away, for escaping, to avoid to be killed. So he all of a sudden came up with an idea. Then he said, قال الإنتاس, he told to the crocodile. li means for. يا صديقي, oh my friend, لقد تركت, I left. تركت means I left. ترك يترك, I left قلبي, I left my heart على الشجرة, on the tree. I left my heart on the tree. لنعود, let's go back. ونحضره, we will bring my heart back again. Okay, let's go back to the tree again. Okay, my heart is on the tree. Then صدق التمساح الأحمق, the fool crocodile believed the monkey. صدق means believed. Okay, التمساح الأحمق means the foolish crocodile believed the monkey. وأعاده, then he brought him إلى الشجرة, he brought him back to the tree. أعاد means he brought him back to the tree. Then في الحال, and in this situation, صعد القرد, the monkey climbed up. الذكي means clever. The clever monkey climbed up إلى الشجرة, climbed up the tree. وهرب, then he escaped. Okay, in this situation, when he came back to the tree, he climbed up, the clever monkey climbed up the tree and he escaped. And it said أخلاق التمساح, this is the behavior of timsah. وقصة القرد here, and the story of the monkey. The story is here, the lesson of this story here is here, الشخص, a person, الذي, who, يريد, who wants, خداع الآخرين, who wants to deceive others. سيخدع, he will be deceived. ويفقد كل شيء, and he will lose everything. So I believe you enjoyed the video and you learned many vocabularies, and if you watch this video multiple times, your Arabic language will be improved. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.